Exe hayi kubhizi kakhulu lana kaziya wangina Mr Teaser lana uhamba na ma-age kubhizi kakhulu ebanaka. I heard ukuthi ni hostel event for music lovers. What's your story about this event?
Event inomzala sato hepena sato khipa so still event ukuthi bonke abantu banje bathole plans nje nabanethe
Musician now, like when the music. We producer. Wow. Except for we got a producer. It's Master T. On social media, we following him. Ukona like us, ukona like up when 12:45. It's like ATV Trust la. Eziyawa Tavern. It's na Mr T. Uhamba na my age. Busy bafethu say Rodman. Is corner last. Now we wanna land. Hola. Yeah.
Ngangibona ngithule wekhebule ngisazovumbuka amaduze ngisabheka iplan lami liyozivuthwe iqhinga lami laziwa imzobonwe imphume hey